Hello friends, I am Jitesh and welcome to my channel. I am a software developer, architect and CTO at Democrat Technology, and I am very passionate about various software technologies and tools. I want to create an open ecosystem for all my developers and architect folk out there to help share new technologies and tools which can make all developers and architects life easy. So to facilitate this, I have created a new channel with the name developerspective, where I speak about the latest trends, technologies and tools related to software development. And I give you an insight into the developer's perspective towards those technologies and tools. So do subscribe to that channel. You will find the link to the channel at the top right of the screen. Lately, I had created a video on AWS CI/CD with Gitlab, and that video has more than 1k views. I am very happy that you guys found that video useful, so thank you for the support and interest in the topic. This video will be an extension to that, where we speak about the new pricing model which Gitlab has brought in and will be activated from the 1st October this year. Also, we'll be comparing that with the AWS CodeBuild pricing. In the recent update from Gitlab, all the free tier limit has been changed. So now, as per the email, if you can see, the free tier limit has been decreased to 400 minutes per group per month for CI/CD usage. So basically, it used to be 2000 minutes per group per month, but now it has been reduced to 400 minutes per group per month. And if you want additional 1000 minutes to be added to your account, then it would be costing you around $10, and that would be valid for a year. So you can check the quota of your usage by going to the group which you have for your application, and each group will have this usage quota in the settings section. So just click on the usage quotas. Here you will find the amount of minutes you have used for a specific month and the limit which is been present now. So as per the current console, it shows as 2000 minutes because the limit has not yet applied. It will be applied after 1st of October this year. If you have added any additional minutes to your account, that will be visible here. So if you are extensively using Gitlab CI/CD for your application development and application deployment, you need to plan to reduce your utility, as if you go above 400 minutes per month, you may need to buy 1000 minutes for $10. There are few ways to reduce the amount of CI/CD minute consumed. So the first way to do it is by using a flag of interruptible. So this flag will indicate that a job should be cancelled if there is a new redundant job created for the same pipeline. So if any new pipeline run happens and there is an existing job running, so that will be cancelled and the new pipeline will be given that time to execute. Okay, so that way you will not waste those minutes of CI/CD run which happens parallelly. So that is one way to reduce the time. The second way is by being more selective on when the job should be executed. For example, if you want that the job should only be executed on a specific branch, or you want to only execute the job when a specific files get changed, so you can have that features added to your CI pipeline, so that you do not waste a lot of CI minute by running the CI/CD every time a small change is done to your application. So that is the second way you can do it. You can optimize your CI job so that the jobs run quickly and it takes lesser minutes of CI consumption. The other way is by using your own runner. So you can have your own runner installed on your own Kubernetes, or you can install on an on-prem server. So you can do that way to reduce the amount of runner time from the GitLab. The other way around is to use the AWS code commit and the AWS code build features. Basically, these are the substitute of GitLab and the GitLab Runner. So if we go to the costing of AWS code build, then it is like 50% lesser than the costing of what GitLab Runner provides, and it has direct integration with AWS other features like code deploy and code pipeline. So let's have a comparison between the GitLab Runner and the AWS code build. So if you see, the GitLab Runner provides you around 400 minutes of build time per month, whereas the AWS code build provides 100 minutes of build time per month if you are under the free tier term. And if you want additional minutes in GitLab, then you need to pay $10 per 1000 minutes per group per month. Whereas in AWS code build, you will be giving a 0.005 per minute, so that comes to around $5 for per 1,000 minutes of build time per month. So that said, you are just saving 50% of your costing for building your application. So, and it has direct integration. So that's the reason, if you are comfortable migrating your CI/CD pipeline to AWS, then you should go for code build as per the new model proposed by GitLab. If you want to learn how to get the deployment done and do the entire setup of your AWS pipeline by using AWS CodeBuild and AWS Code Commit, you will find a link at the top of the screen. So that's it for this video. Hope this helps you understand what is the best way you can go for with the new pricing model which has come out for the GitLab. You should be checking out my new channel, the Developerspective, where we have been speaking about a lot of new technologies and lot of new trends coming out. Do share your comments on this video to let me know what new you want to learn, or if you want me to experiment on any new technology. So do subscribe to this channel, as well as do subscribe to my other channel named as Developerspective. So thank you for watching.